Hello, Assalamu alaikum. This is Talha and welcome to my channel. And without wasting any time, let's start the content. So now today's content is about chapter number 9, the last organic chapter of second year chemistry. Chapter name is Carbon Compounds with oxygen containing functional groups. Okay, we have studied all the functional groups. In all those functional groups in which oxygen is involved, that we will be studying in this chapter number 9. We have studied alkyl halides functional group. We have studied alkanes, alkenes, and alkynes separately. We have studied benzene separately. Now the remaining ones are the one involving with oxygen in it. So the first is alcohol. Alcohol functional group. What is alcohol functional group? ROH. Simple. Okay. They are also the derivatives of alkane, okay? But the replacement of OH in the place of hydrogen is also aliphatic hydrocarbons. Aliphatic. Remember this. Aliphatic. Alcohols are aliphatic. How it being prepared from alkanes? Look. C, H, 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 H. This is the structure of methane. Okay? If I remove this with OH, this is alcohol now. Okay, the formula which I've wrote is, this is called methanol, C2H5OH, ethanol. Okay, you're talking about, or you can say methanol or methyl alcohol. CH3 is methyl and alcohol, OH is alcohol. This is called methyl. CH4 is methane. When one hydrogen is removed, then it's called methyl. And OH is, when OH is combined with, it's called alcohol, methyl alcohol. This, its name is methyl alcohol. So we'll be studying the properties of methyl alcohol, how it being prepared. It's prepared very easily. That's why I'm telling you, but it's not important. CO plus H2, CH3OH. Simple preparation, okay? Just look at the reactions, just look at it, and the preparations and the uses. Uses are a bit more important than the reactions and the preparations, because equations very oftenly come in the Ecat aptitude tests. But I will say only 10% chance out of 100 for the equations and the reactions, for the preparation and the preparation and reactions equation. There is a very less chance. Uses are important. You will be studying in this chapter about alcohols of methyl alcohol and ethyl alcohol, methanol and ethanol, its preparation and properties and its uses. Okay. Phenol. What is phenol? Containing hydroxyl group of alkyl halide, and it's called phenol. This is the formula of phenol. Structure of phenol. C6H6 for benzene. C6H5OH. Phenol. Okay. Catechol, pyrogluol. These all are the structures in your chapter number 9. You can see it in your book. So phenols are aromatic. Like it looks like benzene, is a part of benzene. It's being manufactured through benzene. That's why this is called aromatic compounds containing hydroxyl group directly attached to the ring of the carbon atom. This. It's also called carbolic acid. Phenol also called carbolic acid. Okay, now its rest properties are written: melting point, boiling point. Its preparation is written, and then its reactions, properties, and its uses. Okay. I am going forward. Looking for some more. Methanol is also known as wood spirit. Okay, remember this. I'm looking for MCQs. This is also known as methanol. Is commonly known as wood spirit. And there are about phenols. Okay, now talking about nothing for more about these. Talking about ethers. Ethers involve O, R, O, R. Okay, CH3, O, CH3. This is what is the name of this? Methoxy, methoxymethane or dimethyl ether. Ether is the functional group we have used, and dimethyl because there are two methyls. That's why we use di. Di means two, and methyl, and ether is the functional group. Dimethyl ether. Methoxymethane. Another name is called methoxymethane. If we connect here ethane in place of radicals R and R, what is this called? It'll be its name? Diethyl ether. Okay. So diethyl ether is called ethoxyethane. You will be learning its preparation method, how it's being prepared, and its properties, and then its uses. For making waxes, gums, resins, other organic materials, also used for an aesthetic. Okay, these are its uses. Now, next functional group is aldehyde. Aldehydes. What are aldehydes? CHO. Okay. CHO is the functional group. Like this. If we are adding H here, then it's called formaldehyde. By only adding H, its name is formaldehyde. If we are adding CH3 in place of R, okay, then it's called ethanol. Ethanol is the name, other name, and it's called acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde. Because aldehyde is the name of the functional group, aldehyde. Aldehyde is the name of the functional group, ace, because two C's are involved. This why I use acetaldehyde, and ethanol is the name. Okay. When one H is involved, then it's called formaldehyde. Acetaldehyde when two C's are involved. You will be studying in this topic about methanol. Methanol means formaldehyde. Formaldehyde means one H involved with the aldehyde functional group. You will be watching its preparation and properties, simple equations, but not so important for the Ecat. There are many properties of this. After this, talking about ketones. Ketones. C double bond R R. Formula, general formula. CH3 C CH3 double bond. Okay, this is called dimethyl ketone. 2-methyl dimethyl. Functional group is ketone. Ketone लगा दोगे. This is the name. Dimethyl ketone is also known as acetone. Dimethyl ketone is also known as acetone. You will be learning the reactions of acetone. It's not necessary, means you can watch the reactions and the properties of acetone equations in your book. Okay. All right, I'm giving you one more example. If it's written CH3 here and C double bond with O and C2H5, what will be its name? This is methyl, this is ethyl. Methyl, ethyl, ketone, methyl, ethyl, ketone. Okay. The next functional group is carbo xylic acid. COOH. This is very known acid. If I add CH3 in place of radical and COOH, which acid is this? Acetic acid. Okay. CH3 COOH, acetic acid. I'm telling you some acids. COOH is the carboxylic functional group, and this is the general formula. Now, if I add H, it's called formic acid. Methanoic acid, simple name. Formic acid, other name. Also known as ANT. If I add in place of R CH3, COOH, is known as, simple name is ethanoic acid. Other name is acetic acid. Is also known as vinegar. Okay, you have to remember this, vinegar. This is important for MCQs. Acetic acid is also known as vinegar. If I add in place of R now, if you are adding different compounds, you added the name of the R which you are adding in the functional group. Functional group is carboxylic acid. You will be learning acetic acid preparation and properties after this and its uses. And the last functional group is esters. Esters. COOR are called esters. Means R is here also and both side. You will be adding CH3 here and COO and H. This is ester formula. This is called methanoate or methyl formate. Okay, I'm giving you some more examples. COO are on both sides. General formula. Now I'm adding CH3 in one place and C2H5 at other. What will be its name? This is ethyl. Ethyl ethanoate. This is ethanoate because C2 दो C हैं, H3 COO और फिर ये C2H5. Ethyl ethanoate or other name is ethyl acetate. Ethyl acetate. This is how we name the compounds. You will be learning the preparation methods of the ethyl acetate or ethyl ethanoate and its properties, and then its uses. Its uses are it's used for paints, for varnishes, oils, fats, gums, resins, cellulose. These all are the uses. Okay. So I think that's it from this chapter. Yes. Esters also used for the preparation of artificial flavors and essences. Okay. That's it from the chapter number 9. And that's the end of organic chemistry. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe.